What's up? Scorpion Links here. Today we're testing our airsoft guns in the woods. Alright, get a shot of this. Well, and me. Me most importantly. Alright. Oh yeah, I got it. Ooh, almost got the head. It's a wizard. It's a wizard. But yeah. This is Ren X, kind of new to the channel.
Hello.
Say something.
Yeah, I game.
Okay.
I game.
He's gonna shoot the same.
Minecraft.
He's gonna shoot the same target I shot. All right, go.
You chamber one already?
No, chamber it. It's a lot of mosquitoes in here. Bro, you're wasting my BBs. Let's take a look, shall we? Yeah, give it a stab. Actually, don't, because it's in a good spot.
It'll probably get your bayonet all muddy.
What'd you get?
Well,
I think those are yours.
For here.
You got off a little.
So it's off to the left.
Yeah. All right. He is going to shoot his AK-47 next, so.
See if it...
Yeah. Okay, so before DH here shoots his AK-47, I just want to establish he got this MP40, but it doesn't shoot right now because the battery is not charged.
Battery didn't charge.
Because apparently it needs to be charged for 12 hours, which I didn't know that. So.
And I guess 3 isn't enough to make it shoot at all.
Yeah, take a look. It's pretty cool. Try shooting it. See, it doesn't work.
It doesn't work yet.
We gave it a test shot back at the house and didn't do anything. So yeah. But yeah, guys, pretty cool stuff. He's just trying to fix this right now. All right, DH is shooting my Mosin because his AK-47 isn't working for some reason. Dude, that was a good one. It's only got 16 bullets, mind you.
Let me get the head.
I think it's out.
Yeah.
I didn't see a shot come out of that.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at it. What'd you shoot?
Chest. I saw it bounce off the red.
I see a BB that did not penetrate here. Yeah, I think. I don't know. I'm not really paying attention to the score. I think I did these. I don't know where yours were.
Mine were in the corner.
Yeah.
Because I was aiming at the head the whole time.
One in the red.
There's
no red.
I saw it bounce
well,
off of this or something.
maybe it bounced off because look at this one didn't penetrate right here, so
Yeah.
that could be the situation. All right, so we're just gonna be doing a little test here. I got it loaded. I'm gonna just go ahead and act like I'm in an actual airsoft. So let's go. All right. Oh crap! Not this way. Not this way. Go that way. Go that way. It's someone's freaking yard. I'm not going in their yard. Alright, let's just do a shot. Alright, I got my target twice. DH, watch out! Oh. That window, I'm not gonna hit it. Oh, there's a car. Stop the footage.